Honda, Nissan, and Mitsubishi proposed merger by 2026. The automotive world is abuzz with news of a projected merger between Honda and Nissan, two Japanese automakers grappling with their own unique challenges. Hi, I'm Kevin Hunter, known online for the last 15 years as the Homework Guy. Despite the headlines, the reports of the merger have been met with skepticism from analysts and confusion among industry insiders. The amazing Elizabeth joins me now.
Hello everyone. With regard to the merger, even Honda's CEO, Toshihiro Mibe, struggled to articulate the strategic benefits of the partnership. When recently asked why Nissan would make a good business partner for Honda, Mibe said, "That's a difficult one." While the merger could create a global automotive giant producing 7.4 million vehicles annually, critics are questioning whether this union is a savvy strategic move or a desperate gamble. Honda and Nissan, two of Japan's leading automakers, have announced plans to merge by 2026, aiming to create the world's third largest automotive manufacturer by sales.
Here are some key details of the merger. First was a Memorandum of Understanding, or a MOU, back on December 23, 2024. Both companies signed an MOU to unify their operations under a joint holding company. The merger is expected to be finalized by June 2025. With the new entity listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange by August 2026. Inclusion of Mitsubishi Motors is also here. Mitsubishi Motors, in which Nissan holds a 24% stake, is also participating in the integration talks, potentially broadening the alliance's scope. Research reveals that Mitsubishi Motors was the 6th largest Japanese automaker and the 19th largest worldwide by production.
There are strategic motivations, enhanced competitiveness. The merger aims to consolidate resources, reduce costs, and improve operational efficiencies, enabling the combined entity to better compete with the industry with giants like Toyota and Volkswagen. A focus on electrification and autonomous driving. By pooling their expertise, Honda and Nissan plan to accelerate advancements to the EV technology and autonomous driving systems, addressing the industry's shift towards sustainable and intelligent mobility solutions.
Also, market reactions and criticisms. Positive market response showed following the announcement, shares of both Honda and Nissan experienced significant increases, reflecting investor optimism about the merger's potential benefits to both companies. And of course, there's some skepticism from industry experts. Former Nissan CEO Carlos Ghosn has expressed doubts about the merger's success, suggesting that the two companies' similar strengths and weaknesses may pose some integration challenges.
Implications for the automotive industry. Global market position. The merger would position the combined entity as the third largest automaker globally, with an annual production of approximately 6.5 million vehicles, enhancing its ability to compete on the global scale, according to AP News. Here are some responses to industry challenges. Reuters said this strategic move reflects the increasing pressure on traditional automakers to adapt to rapid technological advancements and the growing presence of new competitors, particularly from China, in the EV market.
While the merger presents opportunities for growth and innovation, it also entails challenges related to the integration of corporate cultures, alignment of business strategies, and realization of projected synergies. The automotive industry will be closely monitoring the progress of this merger and its impact on the global market landscape. If this merger is such a great idea, what are its challenges?
Well, first, it's a merger built on uneven ground. Honda and Nissan's partnership doesn't appear to be a merger of equals. Honda has maintained relative stability thanks to its strong hybrid lineup and loyal customer base. However, the company has struggled to make a significant impact in the EV market, particularly after its partnership with General Motors fell apart.
Nissan, on the other hand, is in dire straits. Recent stock reports show shares have flatlined at $6 a share. The automaker has seen its financial health deteriorate, its dealer network falter, and its EV lineup stagnate. The Leaf, once a groundbreaking EV, now feels a bit dated, while the Ariya has failed to gain traction.
In the midst of this, there's government pressure and strategic incentives. Speculation has swirled that Japan's Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, the METI, played a role in encouraging the merger. By endorsing the partnership, METI could be seeking to ensure that Nissan remains under Japanese control, thwarting Foxconn's interest in acquiring the struggling automaker. Foxconn, known for manufacturing Apple's iPhones, has reportedly put its plans to bid for Nissan on hold, awaiting the outcome of the Honda Nissan discussions. While Foxconn hasn't entirely ruled out a future bid, the company seems content to let the two Japanese automakers determine their path forward before making its next move.
Now, who the heck is Foxconn, you ask?
Right.
Foxconn Technologies Group is a Taiwanese multinational electronics manufacturer headquartered in Taiwan. It is one of the largest contract electronics manufacturers in the world, producing components and assembling devices for major technology companies. Specializing in the manufacturing of electronic devices and components, often as a OEM, original equipment manufacturer, they're known for assembling products for major tech company brands, including Apple, assembles iPhones, iPads, and Macs, and then Sony produces PlayStation consoles, and for Microsoft, manufactures Xbox consoles. Other partners include Dell, HP, Google, and Amazon. We'll be right back after a short break. Hello, folks. Time for a short break, but I do hope you're enjoying the show. Kevin Hunter, the homework guy here, and I have a question for you. How many times have you dreaded going to a car dealership because you knew you'd face the high-pressure sales tactics we're always talking about? Or you're worried about being charged hidden fees and being forced into buying ridiculous dealer add-ons? Enough is enough, right? I don't blame you if you're sick and tired of car dealership nonsense. That's why, after being repeatedly asked, how can we get you guys to help us directly, we launched the only totally hassle-free car buying service available online, and we are way out in front of the industry with the leading return on investment average. We're on a mission to put you back in the driver's seat without the headache. This time, no gimmicks, no games, just honest, straightforward car buying. Besides what Liz and I do on camera here, our team of coaches fight for you inside the dealership. You should know that part of the reason our coaches have a negotiation advantage over you is that they have no emotional attachment to the vehicle you want, and they only negotiate on OTD car prices. You get to skip the added cost of unnecessary extras like fabric protection and the joke known as nitrogen-filled tires and VIN etching, to name a few. And we do negotiate the lowest possible OTD price, so nobody ever has to overpay. If a dealer does demand these products beyond the contract, we subtract the cost off the top price. With our hassle-free car buying service, you'll get totally transparent OTD pricing and all of it in writing. Car buying will actually be fun and stress-free again, just like it was for many viewers who went this route ahead of you. So, never be a victim of a car dealer's head game again and win this time. Visit us online at thehomeworkguy.com and click on Hassle-Free Car Buying Service found on the pull-down menu in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. If you have any difficulties, text Liz at 701-441-3399 and ask her to hook you up. Now, let's go out and get you a vehicle you want, this time on your terms, hassle-free. Because having one of our professional car coaches negotiate for you is the best way to execute perfectly on your next car deal. There's only one of two things you can say about using our hassle-free car buying service. You'll either be glad you did, or you'll wish you had. For your sake, be glad you did, and contact us today. Now, back to the show. Back to the pending merger between Honda, Nissan, and potentially Mitsubishi. Experts believe it would create a powerful alliance in the automotive world, yielding several significant benefits for the industry, consumers, and the companies themselves. Here are 8 key ways the merger could positively impact the automotive world. Take it away, Liz.
All right, number 1, accelerated innovation. With combined R&D resources, pulling the research and development budgets and expertise of 3 major automakers could accelerate innovation in areas such as EVs, autonomous driving, hydrogen fuel cells, which I'd love to see, battery efficiency, and recycling. Some shared platforms as well. The companies could develop shared vehicle architectures, lowering the cost of introducing new technologies across their lineups.
Number 2, economies of scale. Lower manufacturing costs. Combining manufacturing facilities and supply chains could reduce production costs for vehicles and components, making cars cheaper. A unified entity would have greater leverage in negotiating prices for raw materials and parts, which could result in lower vehicle prices for consumers. That's good news. Global reach. Each company's strengths in different regions. Example, Honda's popularity in North America, Nissan's presence in Europe, and Mitsubishi's dominance in Southeast Asia could create a robust global distribution network.
Number 3, enhanced EV competitiveness. Meeting global regulations with stricter emission standards worldwide, a united effort could help streamline EV production and compliance with regulations. And fighting new entrants. The merger would strengthen the group's ability to compete with disruptive EV-only manufacturers like Tesla and emerging Chinese automakers.
Number 4, diversified expertise. Honda, renowned for its engineering, reliability, and leadership in motorcycles and hybrids. Nissan, a pioneer in EVs with its Leaf model and expertise in autonomous technology. Mitsubishi, known for its plug-in hybrid systems and compact SUVs. Combining these strengths could result in a well-rounded portfolio catering to diverse consumer needs.
Number 5, cost efficiency for you, the consumer. Affordable models, streamlined production processes, and shared technology platforms could lead to lower prices for vehicles. A better value for you, enhanced features and reliability due to shared technological investments would improve the cost-to-value ratio for buyers.
And number 6, revitalization of Mitsubishi. Access to cutting-edge tech. Mitsubishi could gain access to Honda and Nissan's resources, improving its lineup and competitiveness. And then expansion of markets. Mitsubishi's vehicles could be marketed more effectively in regions where Honda and Nissan already have strong footholds.
Number 7, greater resilience in economic downturns. Shared financial risks. Merging would distribute financial risks and reduce vulnerability during the global economic uncertainties or market disruptions, such as a transition to EVs.
And number 8, unified sustainability goals. A combined company could focus on unified sustainability strategy, including carbon neutrality and recycling efforts, benefiting the environment and aligning with consumer preferences for greener options.
There are challenges to overcome. While the merger offers immense potential, challenges include cultural integration, aligning the corporate cultures, decision-making processes, and management styles, the overlap in product lines, rationalizing similar product offerings without alienating loyal customers, and execution risks, managing such a complex merger effectively without losing focus on short-term goals.
Here's the potential industry impact. Increased competition. The new entity would pressure other automakers to innovate and streamline operations, raising industry standards. There'd be some consumer benefits. Buyers could see more affordable, technologically advanced vehicles and better warranties due to increased competition.
If executed well, the merger could create a powerhouse capable of shaping the future of the automotive industry, particularly in EVs, autonomous driving, and global market expansion.
If you found this video helpful, remember to give us that great big thumbs up, share it with friends, and leave a comment down below. Let us know about your experiences with Honda, Nissan, or Mitsubishi, good or bad, and let us know what you think of this merger. We love hearing your stories, and great comments always help the Homework Guy community.
Remember to visit our website as well, thehomeworkguy.com, and join us on Facebook too. The Homework Guy team is always here to represent you, the car buyer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
To all of you long-term subscribers out there, you guys rock. God bless you all. I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, signing off on behalf of the amazing Elizabeth and the entire hassle-free Homework Guy team. Thanks for listening.